Hello friends, welcome to Tech Nuggets. Today we will discuss about regular expression in Python. So let's get started. In Python, regular expressions are patterns used for matching text strings based on specific rules. These patterns can be used for tasks like finding substring, searching, replacing, and validating text formats such as email addresses, phone numbers, etc. Python provide re module to work with regular expressions. Let's see some basic functions of re module. re.match attempts to match a pattern starting from the beginning of the string. Let's see an example of it. Imports re imports the re module which provides functions for working with regular expressions in Python. Pattern equals to r in double quotes \d plus, that is a regular expression pattern. R indicates the raw string. R before the pattern ensures the backslash is treated literally in the string. Without the R, Python would interpret \d as a special escape character. The raw string makes the regular expression easier to read. \d, it matches any digit character 0 to 9. Plus indicates that the pattern must match one or more of the preceding character. \d in this case. So \d plus means match one or more digits. re.match pattern 123 ABC. This function attempts to match the pattern against the beginning of the string 123 ABC. The pattern \d plus will match the sequence of digits 1 to 3 at the starting of the string. Result will hold a match object if the pattern is found at the beginning, otherwise it would return none. Result.group group method of the match object returns the actual text that was matched. In this case, the digits 1 to 3 were matched, so result.group returns 1 to 3. Output. The output is 1 to 3 because the regular expression \d plus successfully matched the digits at the start of the string 1 to 3 ABC. Next method is search. re.search scans through the entire string and returns the first match. Next method is findall. re.findall returns all matches of a pattern in the string as a list. Next method is sub. re.sub substitutes occurrence of a pattern with a replacement string. Next method is split. re.split splits a string by occurrence of a pattern. Let's see some examples of common regular expressions pattern. Dot matches any character except a new line. \d matches any digit equivalent to 0 to 9. \D matches any non-digit character. \W matches any alphanumeric characters that includes letters, digits, and underscores. \S matches any white space that includes spaces, tabs, new lines. \S matches any non-white space character. Star matches 0 or more repetitions of the preceding character or group. Plus matches 1 or more repetitions of the preceding character or group. Question mark matches 0 or 1 repetition of the preceding character or group. Cap symbol anchors the pattern to the start of the string. Dollar anchors the pattern to the end of the string. Square brackets matches any character within the brackets. Hope you understood regular expression in Python. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Nuggets for more insightful content. See you in the next video.